안녕하세요, this is Gia. Today I'm going to show you how to pickle the cucumbers in Korean style.
Korean cucumber pickles, Oiji, is made to preserve cucumbers beyond their growing season. Unlike Western pickles, Oiji can be made in a few side dishes, such as Oiji muchim, seasoned cucumbers, and Oiji mulkimchi.
And I'm going to show you how to make a super crunchy cucumber pickles.
The process is quite simple, but you'll need to keep a few things to make crunchy pickles. Use firm cucumbers, wash them thoroughly, and remove the moisture by wiping with kitchen paper or let them completely dry. Place one layer of cucumber in a container and sprinkle salt and sugar. Add another layer of cucumber and repeat it. Pour vinegar. Press down the cucumbers and then cover with the lid. Let it stand in room temperature for 5 days. The longer it brines, the better it tastes. These cucumbers have been pickled for 5 days. The brine will cover all the cucumbers and it will prevent spoilage. I want to check the texture of this pickle. It's super crunchy and the balance of sweet, salty and sour is just perfect. I want to show you how to make seasoned cucumber pickle, Oiji muchim. Thinly slice the pickle and soak in fresh water for about 20 minutes to reduce the salt content before used. Minced garlic, and thinly sliced scallion. Drain water from the pickle and tightly squeeze to remove as much liquid as possible. This is the key to make a super crunchy pickle. Add sugar, gochugaru Korean chili flakes, scallion, sesame oil, and sesame seeds. Mix them well until the pickles are evenly coated with the seasonings.
With just the simple few ingredients, you can make this crunchy and refreshing Korean cucumber pickle. It goes very well with meat, fish. I need a bowl of rice. So yummy. Bye. See you on my next video.